Hello everyone, welcome to the new video. In the previous video, we completed the UI of full name container and email container. So in this video, we will complete the UI of this password container, which contains two password text field and few password strength indicators. So here we will create another file named as password container. Here type COMP and press tab. Name it as password container, and here we are showing the items in vertical order. So we use composable column composable here. Modify width, fill max width, and again here we have two text fields. So we will copy this from our full name container. Here we have these two text fields. Copy these from here and paste it here. And in this, the first placeholder would be enter password, and the second is re-enter password. And in the right side of this text field, we need to show a visibility indicator icon, so user can turn on or off the visibility of this text field. So for that, here we have a property trailing icon, and in this we use icon painter resource or drawable and here we need a drawable. So in our resources drawables, here we create a image vector asset here. This is the visibility icon. Name it as visibility on, and visibility off icon. Okay, so now we use the initial one is visibility off icon, and content description null, and we also need to change this text visibility to these dots when the visibility is turned off. So for that case, here we have a property visual transformation. So if visibility is true, then visual transformation would be none, and if visibility is off, then we use password visual transformation. And these are the common properties which will be used for both of these one. So we will copy from here and paste it for the below text fields as well. So next is we need to add some spacing below that. We use copy this spacer from here and paste it in here, and let's use the spacer 8. So let's see the visibility of these two text fields first and verify that these components are as expected, which we want. So here we use the preview composable again, and name it as password container preview. Theme surface, and in that we will call this password container, and split the view. And as we have added some resources for undrawable files in our resources directory, so we need to build and refresh our project. Okay, so we have our these two text field here. So if I make this let's say if visibility is true, then we show this drawable dot visibility on action. If visibility is false, then we will show this icon. Okay, so if in the text field, if there is any text, let's say this one, And as currently the visibility is on, so we are seeing this visibility on icon and the text is visible. And if visibility is off, let's say making it false, then we will see the text in this dot dot and the visibility of icon here. So these two text fields are as per our requirement. So now we will create these password strength indicators. So for that, here we have icon and text and this rounded shape. So we will wrap these two items in a row. So create a row here. I will hide this one for a while and create a row here. Icon image vector icons dot fill dot check and content description null, and here put some spacing between after this icon, so use spacer, modifier width 6 dp, and use the text here, min length 6. And we also need some padding horizontally and vertically. So for that, use modifier. Let's first apply the background. So background color would be light gray. So color dot light gray. Make the shape rounded corner 20 dp, and now put the padding horizontal 16 dp and vertical 8 dp. And yeah, so let's see the preview. Okay, so we have the layout as per the expected which we want. So let's make this color green. So for that we will use tint color green. Okay, so now we will wrap this strength indicator to a separate component. So select this one, press Ctrl Alt and L, actually Ctrl Alt and M, and name it as password strength indicator, and make it reusable. So let's say is passed boolean and label string. So if it is passed, then use light gray, and otherwise use gray color. And if is passed, then use check icon, else use icons dot fill dot close icon, and also change the color. If it's passed, then show green color, else show red color. And for the text we use a label string here. So now we have make this component reusable. So is passed true and min length 6. This is the first one, and the second one is the uppercase lowercase alphabet. So press Ctrl D, make copy of this. Let's make the first one false as per the similar layout which we want to see, and uppercase alphabet. Currently I'm hard coding these strings here, so at later stage we will move these strings to a separate string resources file. Lowercase alphabet and number and character. False, number and character. Actually, let's name it as special character. False. So let's see the preview. Okay, so we have the components as per the requirement which we want, but we have shuffle the color. Let's say we need to use a gray color for this tick mark, for this green tick mark, and use this light color for this cross tick mark. So we will make some minor change here. Just copy the color from here, paste it here, and cut from here and paste it here. Now this is as per the expected color scheme which we want. So now we need to arrange these items in horizontal order, that if the space is available then the item should be arranged horizontally, and also add some spacing between these one. So for that we use fluoro, move this these components here, and as it's a experimental composable, so we need to opt in that we are using an experimental API. So to add the spacing between these items vertically, we use vertical arrangement dot space by 6 dp, and same for the horizontal arrangement, 6 dp. So now let's see in the split view the change. So perfect. So this is the expected UI container which we want for the password container. For this password container. So I hope this would be a meaningful information for you. So thank you for watching. Bye.